Yes, sir.
Shoaib, Mohammed Shoaib. Now any question from question paper?
Sir, first one.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Second question, sir, for exam.
Okay. The range of random variable. The first one is the range of random variable. You know the expansion of e to the power x. That day I told you. 1 plus x square by so here it is x. X can take values 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Okay, it will take all positive integral values. Corresponding probabilities are k equal to 1 to the power c by 1 factorial to the power c whole square by 2 factorial to the power c whole cube to the power 3c by 3 cube 3 factorial to the power c to the power 4 till infinity. Now summation of probability of x equal to k. Any kind of probability distribution, some of the probabilities must be 1. K going from 1 to infinity equals 1. This implies 3 to the power c by 1 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube by 3 factorial 2 equals 1. Now to convert it in this form, we have to add 1 both sides. We have to add 1 both sides.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mohammed Shoaib. E to the power 3c. E to the power x is 3 to the power c. 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
E to the power c is x.
Yes.
Now taking log both sides to the base e.
E.
3 to the power c equals log 2 base e. Again taking log both sides to the base 3. If I take log both to the base 3, 3 outside, c outside, log 3 base 3. Log 3 base 3 is 1. So this is the value of c. Come to second question. Shall I rub it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Second question. One by what would happen? Variation factor. What is that? Summation of square. E x square. 1 square into this plus 2 square into this. Okay, value of square. 1 square is 1 by m. by multiplication. 1 plus 2 plus 3 into n. Whole square. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Now sum of square of m negative m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 divided by 6 minus n into m plus 1 divided by 2m whole square. So it will be 1 square plus 3m plus 1 by 6 minus m square 2m by 4 12. Three square minus 7 divided by 6 divided by 12. M square minus 2 is equal to m square plus 1 by 12. Okay.
Yes.
Next,
It's the seventh question.
step 7 4 I am writing one result to directly verify it. variance of ax plus minus b. See, a square will be multiplied because here this is square. If you multiply the variable with a, you have to multiply the variable with a. A square will be multiplied here in all the terms. Here also a, but square it here a square. A square will obviously will be common. And here plus minus b, if you are shifting the origin from one place to other place, that will be it won't affect. It's the whole thing. Shift the origin basically. Variance means how much it differs. The data differs from the mean data. If you see the origin, it will not affect. So, there is no difference of B. You can prove it here. You write P1, P2, P3 up to Pn, and then first you take Ax plus B, A plus B, 2A plus B, 3A plus B, like that. And you calculate this. You will get it. Okay? You will find it. You can prove it easily. What shall I do it? But I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Where you are?
Sir, they are here only. Sir, mine. From the beginning, there's 985 I joined.
No, you joined here, I know. But I'm calling you so many times. I'm calling you so many times.
There's no problem that your voice not coming sometimes.
Yesterday you were absent.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Net issues, sir.
Give me some other reason.
Sir, events are there, no, sir. Heavy.
What was there?
Sir.
Now also it is raining.
Yes, sir. Same.
So you are attending class in mobile or laptop?
Mobile, sir. Mobile.
Mobile, whether that is there or not. How is it there? Okay. Next one. What is the next question?
Then just see 19th one. In the it says it's D. It should be A, sir.
What one you can write? I told you right here, A plus this is. You can write here P1, P2, P up to PL and PL. Okay. A plus B. A plus B, 2A plus B, A plus B, 4A plus B, and A plus B. And then calculate this. Come to question number 19. We have to mutually exclusive. That's why. PA is less than PP complement. We can't say that PA is less than PP complement. Suppose may or may not be. Suppose this is A related, this is B. This is A, this is B. It's not always true. Suppose you take half. This is A, this is B. In that case, PA equal to PB complement. A equal to B.
Yes, sir.
So it's not always true that PA is less than PB complement. It's not always true. Suppose half of the portion A, half of the portion B. So in this case, PA is equal to PB complement. PA equals PB complement. And otherwise, PA is less than PB complement. But in this special case, PA is not less than PB complement. Any other?
So the answer is A, no, sir. 19th one.
D.
B, sir.
For all A and B, this is not true. A is less than PB complement. If this is universal set, half of the portion is this, or else you take this one. This is A, this is B. Half of the portion is A, half of the portion is B. They are disjoint.
Yes.
In this case, PA equal to PB complement.
Yes, sir. Now got it.
PA equal to PB complement. So for all the cases, except this case, I think PA is less than PB complement. But any other case, because they are disjoint, so PB complement will be rest of the part.
So, sir, it should be less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. Any other question?
Sir, 18th.
C and D are two events, so that C is subset of D. Just I gave these questions just by logic. You can solve it. C is a subset of D. Probability of C given D. Probability of C by probability of D, and obviously is greater than equal to PC. Since PD is less than equal to 1 and positive, no matter part is same, PD is less than equal to 1. So if you divide this number by some real number which is less than or equal to 1, so obviously this will be greater than equal to PC.
Yes, sir, understood.
Any other question? Any other doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Okay. So 1, 2 complex number questions are there. D plus I sin theta by 4 minus I cos theta is real. Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. If this is real, if this is real, then argument of sin theta plus I cos theta. Here argument of this complex number is theta, because argument of cos theta plus I sin theta is theta. Argument of cos theta plus I sin theta is theta. Okay. Now it's real, so imaginary part of it is 0, so we have to write it in a plus ib form. This is last year question. I think the same question they have given in many forms. 3 plus I sin theta by 4 minus I cos theta, 4 plus 4 square minus 4 plus cos square theta, 12 minus sin theta cos theta.
Sir, 16 plus cos square. Denominators. Plus the
Denominator part
denominator.
16 plus cos square. Correct. 12 minus sin theta cos theta plus I times of 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta by 16 plus cos square theta. Now this is real. This part is 0. 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta equals 0. Then theta is minus 3 by 4. Then theta is negative, means theta can be in second quadrant or fourth quadrant. Case first. Theta is in second quadrant. Okay. Then theta is negative, it can be in second or third. If theta is in second quadrant, here if you think of this in the form of a plus ib, then theta is in second quadrant. So cos theta, this is negative, b is negative, a is positive. Sin theta is a, cos theta is b. If you take it in the form of a plus ib. So a is positive, b is negative. A positive, b negative. Theta is in
B is
fourth.
y coordinate.
B is
Y coordinate.
cos theta will be negative, na?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, correct.
Cos theta will be negative. So what will be the argument? If you write, and this is in fourth quadrant, then inverse b by a cos theta by sin theta. If theta is in second quadrant, b negative, a positive. So automatically it will give us the angle in the fourth quadrant. So here argument of z equal to this. Write argument of z, so that there won't be any confusion. So tan inverse cot theta. Tan inverse cot theta will be minus 4 by 3. Cot theta is minus 4 by 3. That is nothing but minus tan inverse 4 by 3. If this option is there,
Yes, sir.
this option is there.
We have 5 minus tan inverse 4 by.
So this option is not there in any of the four options. This is not there. So come to case 2. Theta belongs to this theta. Based on this information, theta belongs to fourth quadrant. If theta is in fourth quadrant, A is negative, B is positive. A negative, B positive. So this angle will be in argument of this whole complex number. Theta is not argument of this complex number. Argument of this whole complex number. Z. I have written here argument of Z. So argument of Z equal to tan inverse B by A cos theta by sin theta. Now in the second quadrant it will give us negative angle, so we have to add pi. Pi plus tan inverse cot theta. Cot theta is minus 4 by 3. Pi minus tan inverse 4 by 3. Tan inverse minus x is minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse minus x is minus tan inverse x. So with the help of given information, this is also correct. This is also possible. This is also possible. Any other question? Just I'm writing small 2-3 questions. Hmm. I told you the geometrical meaning of this Z1 minus Z2. It's a vector joining the complex number Z1 and Z2. It's a vector joining the complex number
Z1 and minus Z2.
Z1 and Z2, not minus Z2. Z1 and
Z2.
then again origin Z1 Z2. Z1 for Z1, this one vector alpha. This is Z1. This vector is Z1. Z1 is a position vector. This is Z2. So Z1 plus alpha vector is here. Z2 plus alpha vector equal to Z1. Vector addition, this vector plus this vector. I'm taking the direction this way. So alpha equal to Z1 minus Z2. Alpha is this vector joining the complex number Z1 and Z2 directed towards Z1. Directed towards Z1. Z1 minus Z2. Now, think of this, number 1, mod of Z minus 1 equals mod of Z plus 1. So what is the meaning of this magnitude of this? Mod of this? Length of this vector? What is the meaning of mod of Z1 minus Z2? Length of that vector. Okay? Equals
Yes, sir.
mod of Z minus I. So number of complex numbers satisfying this. Number of complex numbers satisfying above relation. Above relation. Number 2. This thing I told you earlier also. If mod of Z1 plus Z2 equals mod Z1 plus mod Z2, then argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 equals number 3. If this and this is same, mod Z square plus 1, then Just think of it. One more. Find A and B. A and B are real. Write this in this form. First one, what is the answer? Just
Is it one? Only one.
only one. Correct. See, distance from Z to the point 1 is equal to distance from Z to the point -1 is equal to distance from Z to the power point I. This is distance from Z to I. Z is a variable point. This is -1. This is 1. This is I. See, how many points are there? Who is distant from Z? That Z to 1, 0, Z to Z1, Z minus -1. Always try to write in this form. Z minus Z1. Okay. This will be distance from Z to Z1. So this is distance from Z minus -1. Z minus -1. Okay. So from that, and this is distance from Z to I. So just you construct this triangle. In this triangle, inside the triangle, how many points are there? Which are at equidistant from all these three vertices? Only one, that is centroid. Or sorry, circumcenter. In a triangle, there is only one point which is equidistant from all the three vertices. Circumcircle of a triangle is unique. And this is isosceles. Yes, isosceles. Root 2, 2. Oh, isosceles. This is 2, this is root 2, length. Root 2, isosceles. So, geometrically understood it or not? Just think of what is the meaning of mode of Z1 minus Z2. If it is plus, you try to write it in the form of. So this is distance from Z1 to minus Z2. Distance from Z1 to minus Z2. Okay. So try to write it in that form. Pick up the point 1, 0 here. Z minus 1, minus 1, 0. Here Z minus I means I, Z minus I. So construct the triangle joining all these 3 points. Now, how many points are there in the XY plane which are at equidistant from 3 vertices, all 3 vertices of the triangle? That is circumcenter. Circumcenter of a triangle is always at equidistant from the vertices. Okay. Understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, for second and third, I already have given you in. Already I told you earlier, if mode x plus y equal to mode x plus mode y, then
argument of x minus argument of y is equal to 0. It's both arguments are same.
arguments are same, but I'm asking you if mode x plus mode x plus y equal to mode x plus mode y. I told you earlier also, I think this result. In general, this is less than. In general, this is less than equal to. But equality holds. Triangular inequality. Mode x plus y is less than equal to mode x plus
Mode y.
Mode y. Triangular inequality. Sum of two sides is greater than equal to third side.
Yes.
But equality holds when x and y both have the same sign.
Yes, sir. On the same line.
On the same line, you can say. Okay, equality holds if x and y both are either positive or both are negative. So here also equality holds if all Z1, Z2 with origin lie on the same line.
Sir,
Hmm.
why are we taking I at y-axis?
In complex number, I gives us the direction. The argon plane is same as xy plane. The only thing in xy plane, y coordinate we take along x-axis. Sorry, y coordinate we take along y-axis, and in argon plane, the coefficient of I we take along y-axis.
Y-axis.
I gives us the direction along y-axis only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The xy plane is x coordinate we take along x-axis, y coordinate we take along y-axis.
Y-axis.
Argand plane means the real part we take along x-axis, the imaginary part we take along
Y-axis.
y-axis. That's it. Only name is different.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These two are same. You just think in this way only. If both have the same sign, then the equality holds. Otherwise, it is strictly less. Here, just you think if Z1 and Z2 both are positive, let's think in real numbers, in place form. Z1 and Z2 both are positive, means real numbers, positive real numbers. Argument of Z1 is 0, argument of Z2 is also 0. So this will be 0. Now other possibility is Z1 and Z2 both are negative real numbers. In that case, argument of Z1 is pi, argument of Z2 is also pi. Take any possibility, Z1 and Z2 both are positive real numbers. Then argument of both the complex numbers are 0. And other possibility is Z1 and Z2 both are negative real numbers. In that case, the argument of both the complex numbers are pi. See, real numbers are subset of complex numbers. Real numbers are subset of complex number. Okay, so what is the answer for this? 0. In a similar way, think of this one. Third. Time is over. I have another class. Okay, shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.
Try.
Thank you.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz, sir.